With a big round of applause, let's welcome the mighty contestants of Miss Queen Kerala 2026 as they take up the ramp for the very first round. gentlemen, the very first round of Miss Queen Kerala 2026, the introductory round where the contestants will be presenting themselves, will tell us their story, and of course will inspire us with the journey. And now to start the first round of Miss Queen Kerala 2026, let me welcome contestant number 1, Dr. Akshaya Bodhi.
Namaste. A very warm good evening to one and all present here. Success is sweetest when won. It comes to those who dare to persevere. Passionate about whatever I want to achieve in my life, I myself, Dr. Akshaya Bodhi from Kollam, doctor by profession and a passionate dancer. Even though I am passionate in dancing, I too appreciate and love all kinds of art forms. After fulfilling my long cherished dream of becoming a doctor, now being present here is a proud and treasured moment for me. My profession as a doctor brought me in close contact with people in distress, their worries, which made me aware of my limitations and also lending them a helping hand. I aspire to create my own unique identity in the society by providing them with a shelter, proper and better healthcare, and unconditional love, thereby witnessing contentment on my patients' faces. This greatly desired platform will surely enable me to fulfill all my dreams, and I'm sure my voices are heard and motivate young generations.
Growth begins the moment fear stops deciding who you are. Namaskaram Kochi, respected judges, dear audience and my dearest contestants. Hi, I am S. Bhadrajit, a 20-year-old coming from the capital city of Thiruvananthapuram. For years, I hid in the shadow of my own insecurities while battling a knee injury. But then, I decided to step into the light and take up challenges. So I decided to join a fashion team, become the chairperson of my college, and started a desert venture, Brookies. No matter how many times life decided to push me down, I always stood back on my feet. And that resilience is the reason why I am standing on this prestigious platform of Miss Queen Kerala. So to everyone out there who are questioning themselves like I once did, just remember, Sarvam tu Kalyani Samasya Tishtati. All good things are surrounded by obstacles. So fight through those obstacles, be the fire in your life, rise like the phoenix, and reach the pinnacle of success. This is S. Bhadrajit representing resilience. Thank you and have a very great evening to you.
Every strong woman was once a girl who doubted herself. Yes, that was me. But I started believing myself, manifested strength, confidence, and growth. And today, I am walking on the pathway to that dream. Good evening, everyone. I am Dalia Lalu, 27 years old, hailing from the vibrant city of Kochi, a well-known place known for diversity, strength, and growth, and also a beautiful blend of modernity and tradition. Today, I stand here as a proud Malayali and a proud finalist of Miss Queen Kerala. I am also an event planner who works with people and create experience. Through this journey, I hope to represent the grace, the strength and confidence of Kerala women. I manifested dreams. I follow dreams because dreams belongs to those who are willing to try, learn and rise again. Thank you.
She remembered who she was and she became unstoppable. Namaskaram, I am Jenia Biju, a software engineer from Kochi. I believe life is not just about what we do, but who we become. For a long time, I lived in a shell, surrounded by no's, held back from my dreams. But becoming financially independent gave me the courage to break free. Today, I am a model and a Zumba instructor. My never-ending love for dance and fitness led me to become a Zumba instructor. A journey that transformed not just me, but many women, mentally and physically. I became the first woman in my bloodline to break the stereotypes and create my own identity. The journey wasn't easy, but I never stopped believing in myself. Tonight, I take powerful step toward my vision to inspire every young girl and woman to rise above their limitations. Because if I can do it, so can you. Thank you.
എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ നമസ്കാരം. ഐ എം ഗോകുല ദേവി, coming from the land of 7 languages, Kasaragod, where the different culture comes together to bring the true spirits of Kerala. I was a state level dodgeball player and a Magankali artist, also a participant in a dance reality show. But these achievements didn't come easily. They came with struggles, challenges, and many ups and downs. During every difficult times, I always remember what my mother used to tell me. Never give up when life gets harder. Losing her to cancer was the hardest part of my life. But I didn't let the grief to consume me. Instead, I chose to cherish the strength that she left within me. Maybe that's why I stand here as one of the Miss Queen Kerala contestant, a dream once shared by both me and my mother. As they say, when you truly desire something from the bottom of your heart, the entire universe conspires to bring it to you. So dream as many as possible. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. From a girl who lacked confidence, who was body shamed, and constantly believed she was never enough, to a woman who turned her pain into power. Namaskaram Kerala, I am Isha Harish, a 21-year-old model, dancer, athlete, and an engineer from Palakkad, Kerala. I was always the one who waited for others to raise their hand before I even dared to raise mine. But a near-death incident changed my life forever. From that day, I made myself one promise: to never let fear steal an opportunity from me ever again. Because what if you fail? Rise again and again. As the strongest women are not the ones who do not feel fear. They are the ones who choose to act despite it. And today, I stand here as that woman. As a woman who chose to act, to aspire and inspire, and leave behind a remarkable legacy. Thank you.
Per aspera ad astra. In law, this Latin maxim means from hardships to the stars. And for me, this is the story of my life. Namaskaram, I am Leona Benny, hailing from the beautiful, quiet Emerald Hills of Idukki, which taught me the values of simplicity. However, life took a sharp turn when I moved out of my comfort zone to the busy, relentless pulses of Trivandrum for my studies. I became financially independent at the age of 18 by becoming a part-time tuition teacher, where I learned the most powerful version of a woman is the one who can provide for herself. Today, I have completed my LLB degree. I am a woman who seeks horizon. I took my first solo travel in 2024. Since then, I have explored 6 Indian states, including the beautiful terrains of Northeast. There is this one saying which I always lean towards. Manzil ehi ko milti hai, jinke sapne mein jaan hoti hai. Which means success comes only to those whose dreams have life in it. So, dream big and have the courage to make it into a reality. Thank you.
judges and everyone present here. I'm Miva Yohannan, hailing from Kochi, the Queen of Arabian Sea. As an aspiring pilot and starting my first solo flight, I learned something powerful. You cannot wait the fear to leave you. You have to learn to rise above it. And somewhere between the storms, I found my strength. As a pilot trainee, I learned about my strength and I chose my path to believe in myself. But my story didn't start in the skies. It started when I was doubted, judged, and even bullied. And I chose my strength and I turned my doubts into dreams. Today, I'm here as I am chasing those dreams. Because I want to fly, I want to create, and I want to lead. I want to build. And that's why I've started my own handmade jewelry brand, Kalankyan. Through my journey and my volunteering, I want to stand up for mental health, body positivity, and women empowerment. And I want to stand up for everyone who is learning to believe in themselves. Today, I'm not just here to win a crown, I'm here to represent them and to show that it is possible to turn pain into power and dreams into reality. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Kochi. I am Nitika Sonu, 19 years of age, coming from the full of life, ever vibrant city of Kochi. What sets my soul on fire is being on stage. And what helps me stay grounded is being connected to my roots. Out of all the baskets I've put myself in, I've found myself to gravitate towards platforms where I'm not only seen but known. Each day in my life passes with me thinking how I can be 1% better than who I was yesterday. Growing up, I realized the importance of authenticity and being your truest self in order to stand out from the rest. For others to be inspired by my actions and to act upon it themselves is what I enjoy.
What stops us is not what we are, it's what we think we aren't. Namaskaram, I'm Sai Pooja, proudly presenting the cultural heart of Kerala, Thrissur. Being a Bharatanatyam dancer, what teaches me most is discipline, while also pursuing my passion for the human mind as a clinical psychologist. My purpose is to ensure to build a culture where seeking for help is seen as strength and not weakness. Growing up in Kerala has taught me the beauty of balance, where tradition becomes strength and modern confidence translates into timeless grace. It is this culture that keeps me deeply rooted while also letting me to pursue what I think I deserve. Tonight, I stand here not just as a contestant, but as a learner, dreamer, and woman with purpose. Thank you.
The greatest journey in life is not about finding yourself, but discovering the power within yourself, the power within your soul. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sandra Sadish from the land of literacy, lush landscapes, and serene backwaters, representing the authentic spirit of Kottayam. From the silent corridors of hospitals, caring for the tiny little lives, to expressing confidence and grace on stage, my life has always been a journey of transformation. Whether it has been challenging the limitations of a club foot or exploring the art of veil poi through myself and learning the rhythm of melody in the violin, I have shaped my life and built with strength as a nurse, a model, an anchor, and above all, a soul rooted with love. Today, you see someone who has once questioned her stability, now standing stronger than ever, built with strength in her steps, clarity in her thoughts, and beauty within her heart. Thank you so much.
I started kicking when I was in my mother's womb. Little did I know I'm going to be a boxer when I grow up. Namaskaram Keralam. I'm Shweta Onat, a 19-year-old proudly representing the cultural capital of Kerala, Thrissur. Growing up as a multi-talented, introverted girl in a conservative family, I often didn't know what I had to do. I often felt misunderstood. I thought I had to keep aside my extraordinary dreams to live up to the standards of society. But everything changed for the better when I watched Miss Mary Com's interview and her words instilled a spark in me. I joined a boxing competition and with just 3 months of intense training, I became a state level medalist, and that led me to my advocacy, Project Shakti, where I partner up with organization to teach young girls about basic self-defense techniques so they could rise with confidence and strength. Apart from being a boxer, I'm a trained dancer, writer, anchor, and a creative thinker as well. Today, I'm standing in front of you all to remind you that shrinking ourselves was never the answer. Confidence is all about taking courageous decisions and sticking on to it no matter what. And let me ask you, who is a true winner? A true winner is someone who doesn't give up no matter how many times she's punched down. She'll rise up again just like me, no matter what. Thank you.
Good evening, respected judges, and to one and all present here. With grace in my heart and dreams in my eyes, I stand before you today. Namaskaram, I am Tamana Pramod, a 19-year-old undergraduate in data science and statistics, proudly rooted in Palakkad, a land of serene paddy fields and rich cultural traditions. From the age of 3, the stage has been my second home. As a trained classical dancer, model, and aspiring actor, I've had the privilege of being part of 2 Malayalam films that taught me the power of expression and confidence. But beyond the spotlight, through teaching children from underserved communities, I found a deeper purpose: to uplift and to inspire. My advocacy is to inspire young women to own their individuality, own their voice, and chase their dreams. Because when a woman is fearless in her expression, yet rooted in her culture, she doesn't just find a place in the world, she transforms it. Thank you.
Stars can't shine without darkness, and the strongest souls are built through struggle. Namaskaram, I am Varsha K. Manoj, a 22-year-old proudly hailing from the beautiful city known for its spices, Kozhikode, and an aspiring candidate preparing for MNS. I am a basketball player, an athlete, karate and kickboxer, dancer, yoga individual champion, and have participated in reality shows which express myself with confidence. But behind this smile and confidence, there is a story of struggle. I have been bullied for my height and my lean appearance, which made me insecure and disappointed. And I have faced failures continuously, and even still today, I am facing failures. But one thing about me is, I never stop believing in myself. For me, this stage is not just about beauty. It's about resilience and self-love. I'm not standing here as a perfect woman, but I'm standing here as a woman who transforms pain into power, insecurity into confidence, and failure into motivation, and showing every woman that your imperfections can become your greatest strength. And I truly believe that this is only just the beginning of my success story. Thank you.